I absolutely love this fireplace. So I actually set it up myself. It took me about 5 hours, a lot of instructions, but I took some breaks too. So if you do it nonstop by yourself, you probably can get it done in 4 hours, I'd say, something like that, because there's a lot of parts that go to it. But I chose to mount the TV rather than sit it on the platform. The fireplace and the TV stand itself actually have two different hookups. So the way that I did it was I got the fireplace's own hookups because it just seemed like warning after warning was coming about that. But I actually have the entertainment system itself set up to an extension cord. But so as you can see, you got the LED lights. I prefer the blue. But I mean, of course, you can use this remote to change the colors if you want to. Still learning that a little bit. So yeah, just press that to turn red, press that to turn green. Oh, there's a purple option. Oh, okay, that's blue. Okay, so yeah, that's a blue option. Blue's my favorite color, so I'm partial to it. But you know, got the TV mounted on it as well. Very simple instructions. So you know, I mean, it's just really neat. Of course, you got a separate remote for the actual entertainment system and a separate remote for the fireplace itself as well. You can turn it off and on. You can turn the temperature up and down. I'm still learning the controls. I got it set at 70 right now. And I mean, I can really feel it all the way back here. It's actually more efficient than my dang on AC unit for the most part. But very nice system. To me, very much so worth the money. I've seen some of the reviews where people had parts missing. I didn't have anything missing. I actually had more parts than what I needed. The only downside was actually FedEx, which didn't follow instructions. They left my package where it could actually get stolen, but I realized something was wrong when I didn't get any notifications from the front office or Amazon hub. So luckily, the apartment complex came and got my stuff for me, and yeah, I love it. I love it.
She is watching a lot of videos today. Master, who or YouTube?
In your arms, I can still feel the way you want me when you hold me. I can still hear the words you whispered when you told me. I can stay right here forever in your arms. And there ain't no way I'm letting you go now. There ain't no way. And there ain't no how.
Well, after I went with the cops a few different places, I put this jacket on.
Okay. How about your shirt and pants? Is that the same?
Yeah, it was the same.
Okay. What was Kai wearing?
She was wearing a Bronco stripe was red or blue. I don't remember.
According to other family members, Kaya's shirt had actually been orange. The description was sent out to the search parties along with an Amber Alert. Police quickly printed out missing posters, which they began putting up around town.
Who do you think